Google, turn on studio light.
Okay, turning on the studio light.
What's up guys? Welcome back for another product review. And today we'll be having another parcel to be unboxed na galing kay Okix Wheels. Yan, from Baguio City. So legit seller yan guys. And selling particularly diecast. So guys, if you're into buying pre-love items, just follow his page and check his post for his items for sale. Before that, just let me promote this page. HCE Shop Select. It is my personal page where I used to post my items for sale. Let's begin the unboxing. By the way, itong nakuha natin sa kanya, this is 1:76 by Toy Is ulit. Yan, nakakuha tayo sa kanya ng Toy Is. Sa page na to, kay Okixville, dito ako madalas nakakita ng Tiny City. Yon. Yung style ng selling ni sir is bidding. So, meron nakalagay naman dun na terms kung ano yung product bid. So, kailangan na mag-follow kayo kung gusto niyo talaga yung item na yun. Kasi maraming nagbibid dun guys. So, ingatan ko lang. Okay, isa pala tong semi-truck. Yan, ng Tiny City. So, open ko lang. Secured yung parcel ni sir. Naka-bubble wrap yung item. Yan. Kita na siya. Okay, so pre-love lang to guys. Aware tayo sa condition ng toy na to. May missing part to. Particularly yung gas tank. Ito siya guys. This is Tiny City number 157 na police semi-truck. Yan, Mercedes-Benz Antos. Yan, so yan yung details niya guys. Okay, straightforward tayo. Yung head niya, this is diecast metal. Plastic sa kanya yung windshield and windows na clear. Kita mo yung details sa loob. Siyempre, itong ano niya, police siren niya is plastic. Ang ganda rin yung detalye. Tapos, yung grill niya, hindi to plastic. Diecast siya. Ayan. Ayan. Hindi siya plastic, guys. Yung bumper is metal din. Yung headlights niya is naka-acrylic din na plastic. Ayan. Hindi siya painted. Ang ganda rin ng detalye. So, yung markings niya, may Chinese ayun, may Chinese sign doon. Tapos, police. Sa side na to, plastic tong side mirrors. Luckily, complete pa yung side mirrors niya. O, ito yung blind spot mirror niya. Itong below mirror niya. Yan. Yan ang details niya. May window sa likod. Meron siyang moonroof. Pero yung moonroof niya is solid color. Yan. Hindi siya transparent. Yan. Plastic to tingin ko. Hindi. Diecast din. Yan. So, kay sa side na to, yung mga rims niya, ang ganda rin ng detalye. Yan. Painted na, itim yung hubcaps. Okay, so yung fender, service ladder is diecast. Tapos yung body niya, of course, this is diecast. Itong buong body niya. Ito plastic to. Itong kabitan ng trailer. Okay, by the way pala, itong particular truck na to na number 157, truck head lang to guys, walang included to na trailer, so walang nawawala tong trailer. And I suppose wala tong available na trailer para dito kasi hindi naman nakakabili ng Tiny City na trailer lang. Sa side na to, itong ano niya, itong part ng body is diecast. Below, yung supposedly signal lights niya is painted. May plate number doon. AM6691, tas logo ng Mercedes. Yan. Okay, sa side na to, ito yung tingin ko parang ano to eh. Hindi to gas tank guys kasi sa kabilang side yun yung nawawala. Yung canister ng air pressure brakes. Okay, yung likod ng truck. Ito plastic tong engine nozzle na to. Yan, plastic yung details niyan. Yan, nawawala rin yan. Madalas mawala yan sa mga nakikita ko kasi natatanggal yan eh. Yung mga side mirrors, itong yan. Madalas nawawala yan. Okay, so dito may markings na police, tas Chinese. Tapos meron pa isa. Zoom in nga tayo guys. May details pa yan. 669L. Tama ba? Body number. Tapos Bluetech 6. Yan yung details. Yung may andito, doorknobs niya painted. Ang ganda rin ng detalye niya guys, ano? For the size comparison, meron din ako dito isa pang trackhead na Mercedes Antos. This came from a horse float truck. Yan. Ito naman yung detalye niya. Pareha silang Mercedes Antos guys. Tingnan natin magkakaiba na itsura nila. Okay, mukhang parehas naman siya. Magkaiba lang ng print. Siyempre, of course, yung plate number. Okay. Kasi yun yung model ng product. Okay. So, yan siya. Parehas yan. Magkaiba lang ng details ng purpose ng truck. Pero mas maganda yung wheels na itong isa na to. Color blue and parang bronze color combination. Yan. Ito yung nawawala sa kanya, guys. Itong gas tank. Yan. Supposedly, syempre, dapat may gas tank yan dito. Tapos, yung part na to nawawala rin ito. Yan, sa ibabaw. Ito na lang natira. Yan, okay lang yan kasi pre-love lang to guys. Okay, so itong horse float truck ko na to na Mercedes Antos, may trailer na kasama to. Yan, ito siya. This comes with acrylic case, display case. And I believe this is one of the limited edition ng Tiny HK na sa particular na truck na to, tong Mercedes Antos. Okay, so meron pa ako isa dito. Check natin yung comparison. Yung lately na nakuha natin, katabi ko lang to. Ito yung Shell na Hino 700. Yan. Pareha sila guys na heavy duty truck. Yan yung pagkakaiba na itsura nila. Okay, so meron pa ako isa dito. Yung Hino 500. Yan, kasi Hino 700 yung heavy duty truck. This is a medium duty truck. So I have here also a Scania na fire truck. Yan yung pagkakaiba nila. Yan, meron din tong siren. Yan. Yan. Okay, so may naitabi pa akong isa guys dito. This is an Isuzu truck. Yan. Isuzu na Goodyear. Yan. Medium duty truck to supposedly. Yan ang pagkakaiba nila. Kaya lang tong isa na to, nag-repurpose parts na lang ako dito. Kasi nakuha natin to talagang kulang-kulang na to. Wala na yung pinaka-crane niya dito. Yan. This is an Isuzu N-Series. Yan. Okay, so balik tayo dito guys. Check muna din natin yung weight niya. Just for the satisfaction of this video. This is 1:76 din. Yan yung timbang niya. 63 grams. Yung pinakamabigat ko talaga dito, itong Shell. Yan siya, yung 180 grams. Okay. So, balik tayo dito. Yan siya guys. Maganda rin talaga yung detalye niya, no? Yun lang talaga yung missing sa kanya, yung gas tank niya, saka yung part dito na cover. Pero overall, goods na rin. Affordable lang yung price nito kay Okix Wheels. And good deal na rin. Ito yung side mirrors niya is luckily andito pa. That's much of it guys. If you like more of this diecast toy review, just follow my page. I have a TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube account. So I'll see you for the upcoming video and goodbye.